Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can stop pop-up ads on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first of all, if we want to block pop-up ads on our Android mobile phone, we need to go to our setting. Open up your settings on your Android mobile phone, and then we're going to go to the connection setting. Okay, in this connection setting, select the more connection settings, and then we're going to go to the private DNS. Okay, and here, as you can see guys, we have three options. We have off, automatic, and private DNS provider host name. And to stop pop-up ads on your Android mobile phone, I recommend you to select this one, private DNS provider host name, and don't forget to add this text dns.adguard.com, and then we're going to click on save to save the setting. And right after you select the private DNS provider host name, the pop-up ads on your Android mobile phone will be stopped or will be blocked. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to show you how we can stop the pop-up ads on our browser. I'm going to go to my Google Chrome as my default browser on my Android mobile phone. I'm going to open up this Google Chrome, and we need to go to the Google Chrome setting. Click on these three dots and then select the settings menu. And here you need to go to the site settings right here. Okay. And then go to the pop-ups and redirects, and make sure you have activated the blocked option. Okay. Make sure you have this option off like this, so the pop-ups and redirects on your Google Chrome will be blocked automatically. Okay, and the second one is the intrusive ads. Make sure you have this option blocked as well. Make sure that it says blocked on some sites. Okay, you have to make sure that the intrusive ads is off right here. Okay, and then the third one, I'm going to show you how we can block pop-up ads on the browser from our Android mobile phone. And I'm going to go to my Samsung browser because this is Samsung Galaxy phone. I'm going to go to the internet, and then to block the pop-ups from this website, we need to activate the ad blocker. Okay, you can click on these three dots and then select the ad blockers and activate one of the ad blockers like this. Okay, and right after you install this feature on your internet application, the pop-up ads will be blocked automatically with this app. Okay guys, and that's all the way to stop pop-up ads on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.